Hello, welcome to A Spoon, a Fork, a Bear. Today we're going to be making some monkey bread. So the ingredients is 1 cup of warm milk, 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast, 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 6 teaspoons of melted butter, 1/2 salt, 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So let's get started. So now we got to warm up our milk and warm up our butter. I'm going to go ahead and drop in our warm milk and butter. 1 cup of milk and 6 tablespoons of melted butter, warmed. Now I'm going to go ahead and drop in our tablespoon of yeast. I'm going to go ahead and give it a little stir. So now we're going to let it sit for 15 minutes until you start seeing bubbles. Chop in our sugar. It helps our yeast to activate quicker. So we got to crack. Our yeast is activated. Go ahead and drop in our 2 eggs. Drop in our 2 eggs. Give it a beat. I'm going to go ahead and start dropping in our flour. So this is 2 cups here. You're going to need 2 more cups of flour. Our other batter. We're going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla. We just start combining everything together, just like so. So it's going to make into a ball once it's finished. And then we're going to let it sit for at least 45 minutes to an hour to let it rise. Bowl, add you some olive oil. Give it a good rub around the sides. Grease it up. Once you grease it all up, you're going to go ahead and put our dough, just form into a ball. Our sheet here, and we got to knead it for at least 5 minutes. Go ahead and pinch balls off like this and roll them into a roll circle. We'll drop them onto our parchment paper. I grease my paper. And we're going to let these rise. And once these rise, we're going to put them in a tray. I'm going to make monkey bread. Make sure you separate it apart. Roll them all up in balls. So now we're going to let these rise for the second time. The dough balls are rising. We're going to go ahead and butter our pan. It's a bundt pan. And we're going to melt a stick of butter. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. I'm going to add 1 more. I'm going to use a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. Just going to 1/2 cup right here. I'm going to go ahead and give it a good old stir, because this is just going to go inside our dough balls. Syrup to pour in the bottom and inside the middle of it. So let's start making our dough balls now. Pour some of this syrup in the bottom here. like so. And we're going to start adding our balls in. A little bit more of the syrup. More balls. And gotta pour some more syrup. Chop in some more balls. Then we're just gonna go ahead and pour the rest of the syrup all over the top. Now we're gonna put it in the oven on 350 for 25 minutes. Ooh, yummy, you guys. Look at that. Ooh, it looks delicious. We have, you guys, sticky monkey bread. Yummy, yummy, you guys. It's so hot right now and I'm burning my fingers. But look how yummy, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And y'all have a blessed day, you guys.